Alright, it's time for a quick Zoom tutorial. So, this one is pretty neat and a lot of my students have enjoyed using it in the past. So, now that we are pretty consistently using Zoom at Valencia College, I wanted to show you how to contact your professors or your peers without having to send a video or join a voice call or send an email. You can do so right through Zoom, and if the other person has it set up, like I do, then it will go straight to their phone or pop up right on their desktop if they're there. So I'm going to go ahead and minimize, and this is our main Zoom screen here if you're on PC. And up at the top you have a couple different sections. We're going to go ahead and hit chat. So if I go over here, you're going to see a test message I've sent to my course tutor Javier, who decided to break my heart and not respond to my test message. So that's just a sample of what this would look like. But you can actually send new messages by clicking this plus icon over on the left-hand side, and it's annoyingly small, so I will circle it here for you. That plus icon is how you created a message. So if you do that, go ahead and create new chat. And for instance, you can send one to me by searching for my username. Now, the issue here is that I can't send messages to you because of the way the Zoom accounts are set up at Valencia College. Because I have a faculty account, I can only search for other faculty accounts. So for instance, I can look up my friend Suzanne and find her address in here. Here we go. You actually search by name and not by Valencia ID number. So if I start typing in Susan, I can look for Susan's name on the list and send her a message. And that would be her. And I could send her one right now. So as students, you can send me a message, but I won't ever be able to send one to you. So if you would like to open up this chat between us, feel free to send me a message, and it will be a much easier way for us to get in contact with each other than having to wait for emails to go back and forth. So it's a little bit more like just a text window for us that we can use. And on mobile, this is going to be roughly the same, except it's a little bit easier. Right on the main screen of mobile Zoom, you're going to open up to the Meet and Chat page, which will look something like this, and you'll just go ahead and create a new chat in the upper right-hand corner and do it the same way you would search for my name, Kirsten Holt, and you'll be able to find me in there. I hope this helps, and I look forward to getting your messages.